Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to make elephant toothpaste. For this, we need hydrogen peroxide 20% solution, and I have some more things I will show you. So let's do it. This will be enough. Mix it. Look at this, how it's mixed. Now I'm mixing it nicely. Mix it. Look at the color of this yeast. Now it's dissolved. That's all. Our yeast solution is ready. I am taking this, and this is hydrogen peroxide. Now I'm putting it. I'm going to put more than half. You put it. This is enough. Get this, and we are going to push this dishwash. This is vim liquid. Some more, enough. And we are going to add some more. Let me add some more. Enough. Now we are going to add some food coloring. Nice. And the color will be very nice. Let me add. This will be enough. Mix it. Let me add this little more. That's enough. Now I'll stay away from this. Wow, look at this, guys. Did you see it? Wow. Look, the glass was not even half, and look, in 1 second how much foam came. Wow. Still coming, friends. Whoa, look at this, it's coming down. Wow, look at this. Wow, look how it reacted. Look at this, guys. Very hot. I cannot touch it. After some time. Look, not even half. And look, in 1 second how much foam came.
Oh, it's acting.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Still coming, friends. Whoa, look at this coming down.
With baking soda.
Wow.
Very slowly, but look at this.
Look at this.
How much fast it erupted.
It's amazing. Last time we did an experiment of soda water with baking soda. It erupted very slowly, but look at this. How much fast it erupted. It not even took 10 to 5 seconds. Now let me put this. This is hot. Not hot. Let me put this here. Whoa. Look at this. Wow. Now I hope you can see this. Wow, look at this. How much foam. Wow, it erupted very fast. So in today's video, thank you for watching, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.